All right, so today we started looking at adding and subtracting polynomials. So tonight I told you guys I'm going to give you a quick video on how to multiply a monomial to polynomials. And so you can take a look at these notes. You'll get these notes tomorrow in class. When we say monomial, we're talking about one term multiplied to a binomial, which means two terms. And so the idea of distribution is really what we're talking about. This first example, number one, we have one number, one term, 3x being multiplied to two terms, a binomial. And so this is why we went over exponent rules. We have to take 3x and multiply that to x, which should give us 3x squared. So remember the difference between multiplying and adding variables. X times x is x squared. And so 3x times 1 now should give us 3x. Now notice the sign. It's an addition sign, so can we combine like terms? Nope. And so this is our final answer, 3x squared plus 3x. So another time, once again, one term being multiplied to two terms, so monomial to binomial. Negative 2 times 5a should be negative 10a. So once again, there's two terms, so negative 2 times negative 6. Negative into negative should give us a positive 12. I always want to check my answer. Are there any terms that I can combine? There are not. No like terms. So final answer. So last time, one term multiplied to two terms, negative 7 plus u. The one thing I do want to make sure we understand, I always write in standard form, so change your answers to be in standard form. Whether you write plus the negative 7 or just negative 7, you should be fine. That is the final answer in standard form. All right, so the really nothing changes when we start multiplying monomial one term to trinomial three terms. The only thing that is different, we got to multiply one more time. All right, so 3x is being multiplied to all three terms. 3x times x squared, 3x to the third power. 3x times negative 2x is negative 6x to the second power. Then, of course, 3x times 1 is 3x. Always go back, look at your answer. Are there any like terms that I can combine? There are not, so that should be my final answer. Last question of the evening. Negative 2 gets multiplied to all three terms inside of our parentheses. So negative 2a squared. Negative 2 times 3a is negative 6a. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. One more time, check. Are there any like terms? There are not. Final answer. So I told you guys there'd be a quick assignment here. There are two questions that I want you to answer. Here's the first question. Monomial times a binomial. Please write your answer in the discussion box for your period. If you need to wait for a second to write this down or remember it, press pause now. The second question, monomial to trinomial. Please make sure you multiply, put your answer in the discussion box. You should have two answers for your questions in the discussion box for your period. Title it as your name. Have a great night. I hope you get your homework done.